Today we will be showing you how to replace the barcode reader on a carousel-style tape library. This replacement will require downtime and should be scheduled with the system administrator. This video will cover the barcode reader replacement for all styles of carousel tape library that use this barcode reader, including IBM 3581, Dell PV122T, HP 1/8, and Sun L8. To begin, you need to determine what style barcode reader you need for your library. If your library has an LTO tape drive in it, you will need an LTO style barcode reader. If your library has anything other than an LTO tape drive in it, you will need a DLT style barcode reader. Also, the barcode reader itself will have BCR1 or BCR2 physically embossed on it. To order an LTO style barcode reader from the Rocket Platform website, please use part number BCR-1. To order a DLT style barcode reader from the Rocket Platform website, please use part number BCR-2. Once you have obtained your replacement barcode reader and scheduled downtime, you will first need to power down your library. To do this, flip the power switch on the front of the library and ensure that the library powers itself off. Once you have done this, you can move to the rear. In the rear of the library, you will first want to unplug the power cable so as not to generate any type of electrical short while replacing the barcode reader. Now you will need to locate the two screws that hold the barcode reader onto the rear of the library. Please note, if this is a new installation of a barcode reader, there will be a cover plate that you need to remove to install the barcode reader. This will also be held on by two screws, and they are the same screws that you will use to install the barcode reader. Once you have the two screws undone, you will now need to unplug the defective barcode reader from the connector inside the back of the library. It is also very important to note which direction the barcode reader is installed in the library. You can then set the defective barcode reader to the side. Now you will need to take the replacement barcode reader and connect the barcode reader plug to the connector that you unplugged the defective barcode reader from. Then you will need to carefully fasten the barcode reader to the rear of the library, making sure not to pinch the wires in the process by tucking them to the side as you install the barcode reader. Once the replacement barcode reader is installed and screwed down, you can plug the power cable back in. Now go around to the front of the library, push the power switch to the on position, and allow the library to boot up. Once the library displays the library name on the front panel, the library is fully initialized. Now, if this is a new installation of a barcode reader and not a replacement, you will need to use the front panel and go into the configuration settings and ensure that the barcode reader is enabled. Some libraries and levels of library firmware will automatically detect a barcode reader being installed and enable it. Others will require this to be manually done. Once the barcode reader is enabled, you can reboot the library for all settings to take effect. Your library should now be ready for production. If you have any issues with the barcode reader replacement, or the barcode reader is not recognizing tapes, please open a ticket through the Rocket Plus customer portal. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.